that you can use as an alternative to CapCut. Yes, we both know say CapCut on the fuck up nowadays. Yes, CapCut, most of the features we dey enjoy for CapCut, they don't move and go the pro version, which means if you don't pay for the pro version, you are not getting it. So in this video, I'll be showing you 5 apps that you can be using. You can just decide to leave CapCut to one side and choose for any of these 5 app that I will be mentioning right now, and it's going to work for you very well. And no, one thing about all this app is that once you use them, they will have watermark. Yes, that is the only problem they have. They have watermark. But I have a way in which you can remove the watermark. So if you want to know that way, go to the comment section and say, Solo Wise, I want you to teach us how to remove the watermark from all this app, because I won't be teaching it in this video. Yes, I won't be teaching it in this video. Just go to the comment section and say, Solo Wise, I want you to show us how to remove watermark from all this app that you are mentioning. Then I will gladly make a special video for that. So make sure you watch the video to the very end, because I'll be starting from number 1 to number 5. So trust me, number 5 is the best. That is what I use personally, and that is what I'm used to edit this very particular video you are watching right now. Nothing can be compared to number 5. So without further ado, let's dive in. So number 1 is InShot. Yeah, I know that most of you will know InShot. InShot is a very good app for editing. Most of us use InShot. In fact, I started using InShot before I even got to know CapCut, stuff like that. Yeah, before I started using the one I'm using right now. InShot is very, very good app. You have very easy interface. Once you enter the app, you download it, you can start using it. You can find it in your Play Store and your App Store to use. That is one thing about InShot. Another thing is VN editor. VN is a very good app. I know that most of you will know this, but VN is very good. Have very good features. It just look like InShot, but it's more advanced than InShot. So VN is another very good app. It's Alight Motion. Yeah, Alight Motion is a very good app, but have some issues. Like, not an issue. If you don't take a class or watch a video about it, you won't be able to really know what most of the features are used for. It's a very good app, I must tell you. Like, man, everything there is very good. Like, you can use it for very good stuff. Just that another thing is that it selects phone versions. Yes, your phone version need to be high. Yeah, for those old versions of phone, like let's say 10 downward, you can't take it. It will take it, but it will be skipping. Yes, when you are editing your video, will be skipping. But have to have like 11 upward for it to work very fine on your phone. Now, if you already watched the video to this stage, whether to like, my name is Solo Wise, like this video, share the video, yeah, support me. Like, I know that in this channel we are going to take this channel to 1K before the year was out. I know that you can do it for me. Yeah. I'm counting on you. I'm counting on you. When you subscribe, like this video, share, so that YouTube algorithm will help boost this video to more people. Because once you like this video, YouTube will boost this video to more people. Now, coming to number 4 is this very particular app. Yeah, this is the name. Now, in this number 4, you're going to say it yourself. Yes, you're going to say it yourself. Go to the comment section, type the app you're using for your editing in the comment section, and I'll be leaving that as number 4. Yeah, go to the comment section, see the app you are using right now for your editing. That will be your number 4. Now, coming to number 5, yeah, the other part of them, like this app have every features that CapCut have. Most video editor will tell you that they don't have it, but if you have been using this app and you have been upgrading it regularly, you know that this app have really changed most of their features. They are started doing a lot of crazy stuff. Yes, like mad stuff. This app is not that app down. No, yeah. So I'm not saying it before I say it. Subscribe. Yes, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, before I'll say it. Now, what is the name of the app? Yeah, right now this app is not that app than KineMaster. Yeah, KineMaster is one of the best app like ever since. Like the interface smooth. You know that there's one thing about CapCut. Once you start editing sometimes, it start hanging. This app called KineMaster does not have any such of those stupid things. You understand now? Like this app is very good. It have feature for noise remover. Like they have. Once, if you have it, you have not upgraded it for, go and upgrade your own. You'll find the noise remover. Now have auto caption, feature for auto caption, which the same thing that CapCut have. You cannot use it for your auto caption, and it's going to be man, they're like very, understand, everything is everything that have CapCut it have it, like everything is good. So like I said earlier, the only issue with all this app is that once you download it and you're using it, they have watermark in there. Yes, no, most of all this editing the app, they have it watermark in there. So if you want to know how to remove this watermark, how to use all this app and edit your video without having the issue of watermark, go to the comment section, let me know, and say White want you to teach us it, and boom, I promise you I'm going to make that video for you. Okay guys, see you in my next video.